Hello everyone, here are the latest market news on July 3rd, 2020. Tesla shares continue to surge due to strong sales. Tesla Inc. shares jumped 8% to close at a record $1,208.66 during the session on Thursday, supported by better-than-expected second-quarter electric car sales. It was stock's third consecutive all-time high. Earlier on Thursday, the company unveiled it has delivered 90,650 vehicles in the second quarter, well above the analyst estimation of 72,000 deliveries. The Tesla shares have gained 189% this year, contrasting with losses of 3% and 10% for the S&P 500 index and the Dow Jones Industrial Average. Mnuchin criticizes Trump's urge to reopen economy. The U.S. Treasury Secretary Steven Mnuchin has criticized the Trump administration about pushing states to reopen their economies one day after the country reported more than 50,000 new coronavirus cases, the fourth record-breaking single-day toll in just over a week. COVID-19 cases are rising significantly in more than 40 states, particularly across Southern and Western America, with California, Florida, and Texas, the three most populous states in the country, seeing record increases. Florida, among the states hardest hit by June surge, reported more than 10,000 new coronavirus infections on Thursday. Some Republican-led states, which moved quickly to reopen this spring at Trump's urging, such as Texas, have now pressed pause on that strategy. But others, such as Florida, continue to refuse to change the course. General Motors posts drop in auto sales in China. General Motors Co. reported its auto sales in China decreased 5.3% in the second quarter compared with the same period last year, missing the average expectations due to the coronavirus consequences on the world's biggest auto market. In turn, the country's data from the China Association of Automobile Manufacturers showed overall sales of passenger and commercial vehicles rose 4.4% in April and 14.5% in May, and are expected to add another 11% in June. GM, China's second biggest foreign automaker, delivered 713,600 vehicles in the country during the period from April to June. In the first quarter, the company marked a drop of 43% in sales due to the pandemic. In terms of sales of GM's mass-market brands, Buick rose 7.8%, while Chevrolet and premium brand Cadillac fell 27.7% and 12% respectively. Japan's largest pension fund hit a big loss in first quarter. Japan's government pension investment fund announced on Friday that it lost a record 17.71 trillion yen, $164.74 billion in the period from January to March after global stock markets plunged due to the COVID-19 pandemic. The world's largest pension fund posted a negative return of 10.71% on its overall assets during the first quarter, compared with a 4.61% rise in the previous 3 months. The fund, which managed 150.6 trillion yen of assets as of end March, is closely watched by global financial markets because of its huge size.